Hello everybody, welcome. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of My Little Pony Luna Bishojo statue, and I have also a Miniko figure of Catwoman from Batman Returns. I don't think I'm going to open that up, but I just wanted to show it off. Oh, here we go. Let's do the minifigure first. Oh, there's kind of a glare here. Nice. I think she called her Miss Kitty. And the back of the box from Iron Studio. Side of the box. Oh, that's you guys. No. Okay, I'll move you guys so I can't see you. Okay. So, here it is. My Little Pony. There's definitely a big glare from the light. Hang on. I wonder if it looks better with the light off. My Little Pony. That's the side box. Whoop, back of the box. Little window here. Thought I had it. To where it pops open. Where'd my knife go? Not what these are used for, but now, do you guys keep the boxes? Do you guys keep your art boxes? Oh, I hate these clamshells. Give me my princess. Aww. Look at this little figure of Luna. That is cute. Very cute. They put a separate plastic bag for her hair. Okay. Let's see. Trying to get a good angle on her face. There's that. Okay. Nice detail on the dress. The shoes. Okay. Okay, so I'm liking the hair. Like the dress. Hair is nice. Let's see the crown. I think I need to take a picture of these two. Ah. Shaky cam, I'm sorry guys. That's not a good picture. Hold on. I gotta do a panty check. No panties. There's nothing there. Okay. So I think that is it. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. And until next time, have a great day. Bye.